guys, welcome to Stu TV. I'm Stuti and this is my first vlog that will be going on air and you guys will be watching it. A little bit about me. It's been a few months that I've moved to Canada. I'm in Toronto currently and of understanding how things work here and what you need to do, what you need to plan and stuff. I'm really sorry, my hair is really messed up because I just shampooed my hair and I'm getting late. My first vlog is going to be the Christmas vlog. I always believe in miracles. I always have that hope that even if things are not fine, they eventually will be all right. You just need to have that, correct amount of patience, that perseverance, and things will be, going just as per plan. So yeah, I thought of kickstarting with the Christmas vlog. We are going to Distillery District. It's old town in Toronto where there's this giant Christmas tree that's been set up and I'm really looking forward to this. So a lot of you might be wondering why I'm not going to the Christmas market, which is held every year since the last 10 years, and this was supposed to be the 11th year apparently for Christmas market in Toronto, but due to COVID it's been shut, and it's a big opportunity that I've missed because I was really looking forward to this and getting those pics clicked with Santa, hearing those Christmas carols and stuff. It's so magical and so mesmerizing. I was really looking forward to it. We are heading to Distillery District through metro or sub, and then we'll be taking a bus from there. It's very important that if you're doing transportation, it's important that you are having the Presto card. Presto card को आप fill कर सकते हो online or through app. Even at the stations you can do, but to save time it's better कि आप कर लो घर पे जब हो तो. I'm breathless right now because I'm walking really fast, so please bear up with me. And also हमने एक laptop लिया था which we need to return. The specifications and a few stuff was not according to what we thought. So yeah, we are heading. By we I mean my husband and me. My husband is slightly a camera shy person. It's my first video, guys, so there is a big chance of me fumbling, missing out on some important tips or points. Video अच्छे से record नहीं होना, that cinematography types वाला चीज़ नहीं होगा. I will try my best to cover as much as possible and share it with you guys so you all get that real time वाला experience. But if there is something that does not go according to how it should be, please forgive me. It's my first time, like I said. And please subscribe, guys. I need that motivation coming from y'all, and if y'all are watching this, please be rest assured there are lots and lots of important and fun content that is coming your way. So right now we are heading to an outlet, Best Buy outlet. We need to return. Ready होते हैं तो you are in a habit of putting lipstick लगाओ, फिर मास्क पहनो और लिपस्टिक हट जाती है. So annoying. And we are moving very quick because we are kinda late. We've reached Best Buy, but there's a queue and we are waiting. Quick update, we are done with the return of our electronic, and I must say it was so smooth. We've even got the refund, guys, so quickly. So yeah, they even suggested what we should buy next time. So the electronic that we were returning right now was a laptop, and I'd really like to thank that guy. I could not record it inside, it was not allowed, but then I love the service, it was crazy. and right now we are heading to Distillery District. Really excited. Not that cold today. Weather god has been good. Say hi. Change of plans. We were supposed to go to Union Station and take a bus, but it shows a shorter route if we got on at King Station and took a streetcar. So streetcar is something very similar to trams if you've seen. So yeah, we'll be taking that and we'll be reaching sooner. So we got really hungry and having some hot latte, much needed in this weather. How are you liking the food, Amul?
It's quite interesting.
We also ordered a grilled cheese sandwich and it's yum because it's hot and currently my hair is all messed up. It's windy, hence
It's
but
pretty cold
it's
day.
yeah, and but it's pretty nice. The vibe is, like I said, very amazing. Just a little chilly. So we are done with the food, but I think we need to leave now. It's getting really cold. We did not wear our down jackets, but because weather positive mein tha and we thought we'll manage. But then I guess it's getting chilly now and we need to travel a long way. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Like I said, please do subscribe and comment so that I get motivated and I'm encouraged to do more. And until we meet next time, stay fabulous.